guys, today is another interesting day. It's our end of the year vacation with our family. A very short one. Okay, today we are at Kuala Selangor, another interesting place. And this is our venue. We got it from AirBnB, first time trying out this location. Okay, let's check it out, guys. Oh, apparently we have. Hey, how are you? We have a visitor here. Seems very nice. MashaAllah, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's nice. Hey guys, I think you should check it out, this guy, if you go to Kuala Selangor. On the light. Oh, not bad. We are here at 4 plus. There goes the kitchen over here. Oh, nice. Okay, very beautiful kitchen over here. Wow. Not bad for AirBnB. Okay. You're on. I want to check it out on top. It's our second floor. How is it like? Nice. Second floor nice, Yang. Check out the second floor. Oh, nice place to hang out, man. Really, it's beautiful. Got mirror. This is place we're gonna hang out. We'll watch TV over here also. Okay, first room. Okay, that's the first room near the window. This should be my room. Yeah. Oh, got a walking wardrobe. Not bad. Very nice. Okay. It's beautiful, Kakak? Okay, there's another room over here. Okay, this shall be Abang's room. Abang.
Bro, announcing people.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Abang's room. Kak, is this your room? The room, Wait. Wow. There's another room. Okay. This should be your room, Up to you, Which one room, man? Which one you run?
Oh, behind the big mirror. Oh, this is the big mirror.
Yeah, this is a big mirror. This is for the view from the top. Beautiful. Wow. Shall we get this house here in Kuala Selangor? Abang, don't pretend, Abang.
No.
Don't pretend. Abang, pretentious. Okay. Nah. Okay, come. Abang, I'll show your room. Nanti kakak show your room.
Hey, you're supposed to show
Okay. Oh, yeah. We just adopted this cat package. Want to come in or not? So, nama dia? We don't know. Okay. Bob. Ni how, Nana. Okay, Nana is also very hardworking now. Nana, close the door. Close the window. Sorry, close the gate. Okay, right. Okay, it's beautiful over here. In front there is like a small mini park with a playground just in front of the. We at where? We're at Bayu Malawati. So breakfast, we drove to Jalan Bagan Pasir. There was an initial meetup. We're supposed to take a bigger boat and transfer to a smaller boat right to the Sky Mirror area. But unfortunately, the boat was not functioning, so we have to drive another 4 minutes to a new area. Right now we are on the boat. Right, waiting for about 20 minutes. Not sure whether you can see. There's a blue color sea plus this milky color. Is it? Yeah. So this is where we wait until the whole water dry. Then we'll start to come down. So everybody's waiting. There are a few companies over here all waiting game waiting. So best is to keep yourself hydrated. I think the best is to put on sun lotion and even wear your hat. The weather is quite hot, so it's a good thing. Okay, so later I'll show you how it looks like. I'm also very curious. Look about it. So everybody now is waiting right now, come here, guys. Kuala Selangor. You see, check it out. We are at middle of somewhere. You see, the sea, and it's only almost our ankle level. Yeah, Patricia, Izul, Sabina. Nice, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, Ibu is there. Right, holding her own 360 camera. Okay, on the way back to Kuala Selangor, we head to Sekinchan, but apparently the museum is closed. They only open at 2 p.m, so we decided to head back. It's about 30 to 40 minutes drive from Kuala Selangor to Sekinchan. So we apparently saw this very prominent sign. Okay, the shop is called Kopi and Kudap. Okay, let me share with you. Okay. How the whole the cafe looks like. It's very cozy, just beside the highway. Very interesting concept. They're just 4 months here. Simple spicy Indomie plus mocha. Abang habis apa bang? You see a drink? Okay. Oh nice. Okay, cool. Ibu is having waffle. Okay, latte. And waffle is very nice. They say it's very crispy. Okay, check it out, the menu. This kopi and kudap menu. Apparently today there's no nasi Arab. Wah, I thought I came here for nasi Arab. Right, it's very cool. Guys, check it out if you are heading from Sekinchan along the way. Kuala Selangor, I think you should try out. Okay, you should try out their food over here. They got laksa, langkawi, and so many other things that they offer. They are just right this highway. Yeah, now we are looking at beauties, but it's not easy to find. It's all totally darkness. Can't see anything, man. It's very dark. Hi, morning guys. 8:30. Still at Kuala Selangor. Right. Now we are at Bukit Malawati. It's a very nice place. From here you can see the view of Kuala Selangor. So in the weekdays, I was told that you can literally drive up, right? Drive up to the peak. Right? But on the weekend, I think you can't. You need to walk up. So I saw people jogging, and also some of them cycling. The slope, wow, challenging, man. Actually, you can park over here. Later, I will show you what's the location. Okay, this is a historical place in Selangor. I think it is too early for us to meet them. They're now on top of the trees. Right, the silver monkey. Yep. Let's check it out. Can you see, guys? There. I see. Happily playing there. Right. Hi guys. After 2 hours of driving from Kuala Selangor, now finally we are here at Gopeng Gelamping Park, just right behind me. There you go, that's behind me. Right, there's two alternatives. You can drive from KL or you can drive from Kuala Selangor. So seen here, Kuala Selangor, it takes about 2 hours and 6 minutes. Then you just follow the route, highway, then follow the highway. Then from Gopeng, it's about 6 minutes. Once you exit Gopeng, about 6 minutes, then you arrive to this beautiful place. Quite ulu, further in, only like one road, right? But after that, when you reach here, there's a lot of car park behind me. You can park your car over here. So the first activity that we'll be doing is actually called white rafting. Okay, very excited to see here. So now waiting for our check-in. Maybe we put our bags. White rafting is at 2 p.m. Do book early to avoid disappointment. Not sure if we can do abseiling tomorrow because due lack of numbers, we are unable to do that. But we will do trekking in the afternoon. Okay, so this is the whole environment of Gopeng Gelamping, right, very nice. Okay, glamping, glamorous camping, guys. Okay, so while waiting for 2 p.m. Rafting, right, so we hang around first. So 1:45 we head back to the reception. Okay, so there's Solat, I think Surau Surau here. I think got a meeting room over there. The toilets all outside. Then there's the place for kids. Wow, very interesting. They have a place for you to take your drinks over here. Looks like a mushroom, guys. Pakai tu apa sih?
Tak ada orang ya.
Okay, go, Nana. Okay, go. Okay, wait.
Yo,
what? Oh, this is our location for. This is the night view at Glamping. So all the lights is on. The rain just stopped. It's quite cool. That's why I was using jacket. Wow, super cool. I'm not sure whether you can stand the aircon inside. This inside got aircon. Get a few fans. They are facing your bed. Right. So now we are going to dinner. Dinner is at 8 p.m. Okay, guys. You can actually cater for dinner with additional charges, not part of the package, or even lunch. Breakfast is included. Right, so if you want to have lunch, you can actually walk outside if you want to. Right, this is where we're gonna have our dinner. Okay, so buffet dinner. Right, it's at 8 p.m. guys, 8 p.m. Guys, now we are ready for our rafting. Check it out.
What? You're funny.
Guys, lambai. What are they doing?
saja forward. Kiri saja forward. 2 kali. 3 kali. Lagi. Okey, kiri kanan kiri forward. Kiri kanan kiri.
Okay, by looking at the river, you can tell this is one of the best campsite for me. For many years, having in camp, so this is one of the best campsite. I don't think you have an air condition and fan in the campsite area. Plus great food and great company, you have great activities.
Geramnya bu. Yang pertama gua ni kat Sarawak. Dari sini, tapi dari belakang. Lalunya orang akan masuk dari depan lah. And hari ni kita akan tahun 2008. Sebelum tu dah masuk ke depan. Sekarang ni dia tengah tak ada sebab apa? Sebab waktu siang and ramai orang keluar masuk. So dia rasa tengah cari biji timah dekat sini. Ini antara tempat-tempat yang diorang gali lah. Okay. Bezanya kenapa diorang cari dalam gua, kenapa diorang tak cari dekat luar. So, 1 inci batu mineral tu dia nak membesar, dia makan masa 100 tahun. Ada dah. Oh, sikit je. Yang depan sini kita masuk warna biru.
Oh, this is the marble, guys. There's a few marble in this cave. Now we are inside the cave. Right, check out the water. Total darkness, guys. Apa depan?
Tutup lampu kat tangan. Boleh tak? Gigi. Adik, tutup lampu adik. Tak nampak muka dah. Boleh? Akak tutup cermin boleh tak? Okey, tengok sini. Tutup lampu pakai tangan. Okey, ni video sekali dengan gambar. sekejap bang. Lagi.
Okay, now we are going up to Bukit Batu Putih. This will take us about 40 minutes or 1 hour 30 just to catch a glimpse of sunset. Let's see whether we got the sunset, both sunset and also the view from here. It's our first checkpoint.
Jangan pegang bagai.
Okay.
Yeah, you come like this.
Wow, we got a guide dog. They're gonna follow us up to the peak of this hill. Okay, finally we have come to the peak. Whew. Yeah, it's a spectacular view. Guys, this is a spectacular view. 300 meter up, about 1.2 kilometer walk. Guys, we just ended our sunset trekking, so that's beautiful. Okay, so it's very tiring, but worthwhile. Okay, so I think we deserve this one. Check it out. Yeah, burger guys. I think this is what we deserve after a fast pace, climbing up to catch a beautiful sunset. Okay, they don't open every day, so you need to go and ask around. And normally they will open after 4 plus and end about 9. After 30 minutes of driving, now we are at Tambun. We're still in Perak, so we now have to take a break and go for lunch. Right, guess where we are now. We are in of this building. Surprisingly, the same name that is familiar in JB. Okay. Oh, this is our accommodation. Can check out the view from our place, 9th floor. Okay. Okay, this is the view from outside. Can hang stuff. Exact view from the Lost World, right smack at our balcony, guys. Okay, few minutes drive from our accommodation. Now we at Remaja Purba Café, right? So quite cozy. This is what we have for our dinner. Now they're discussing what to eat. Okay, guys. So far the food has been excellent. I will give 5 star easily. Very nice ambience, nice place, nice people, staff, and so on. Right? They accommodate your needs. Excellent music, very chill. Relax. I think this is one of the place. In fact, here got many places to eat lah. Here we got many food, your spot for choice. Just a few minutes away from our accommodation. Alright guys, today is our second day, right, in Tambun. So this is one of the places that I think was recommended to go is the Tasik Cermin, okay, or the Mirror Lake in Ipoh. Okay, there are two parts of this Tasik Cermin. One is Tasik Cermin 1, and one is Tasik Cermin 2. Okay, so this is the one at the top. You have to drive on top about 200 meters away from the Tasik Cermin 2, which is below. So the lot of parking is at Tasik Cermin 1. So behind me you can see Tasik Cermin 1, and this is how it looks like from behind. Okay, looks nice. So there's a petting zoo here, so we need to check it out what's inside and what's in store for us. A lot of people over here, there's a lot of buses. I think this is one of the highlights in Ipoh. It looks like a shape of a mouth, snake mouth, right? That's what they say, no? Can you go in? Huh? Oh, it's like that. It's quite narrow. Another cave, guys. Second cave we have in to this. We are inside the snake mouth. Huh?
It's so dark. Well, the air, can't see shit.
Is it?
Yeah, you sure can go in.
The cave is quite tight, guys. It's over here. Okay, let's go inside. Huh? Oh, it's on here. Okay, so this is the cave. Looks like that's all. Okay, that's. Wait. It's okay. Wait. You need the light,
No, I have.
Okay, then can see. Very clear. Okay, currently now we are at the Mirror Lake 2. Okay, because Mirror Lake 1 is closed for maintenance, so we want to take a boat ride. Okay, now we are going to ride on this boat while waiting. So we share with this family to enter to the hidden world of Tasik Cermin. Hey guys, information that this is actually the spring water. Last time the miners actually came from that cave over there, so they built this. There's no water, so that's what they have. So they're very able to build that mines. Okay, and build a hole right through this cave, this hill. Right. So now we're able to enjoy the nature plus the beauty of this place. Quite peaceful and calm. Oh, okay. So this place is quite new lah. 2 years 2 years, okay. For public 2 years. Have been around since 150, at least 150 years. Oh, okay.
Your camera tunjuk ini lah.
Okay. Okay guys, one of the last few days here, so we tried our first international escape room. This is called the Breakout Avenue K. It's at level 2. Later I'll give you my review. I heard it was scary. It is supposed to be scary, and plus there's some physical activity. Okay guys, this is the game that we have played just now. It's quite challenging. Only 15% success rate, and guess what? We managed to complete and escape the room with less than 10 minutes before the game ends. Right? Oh, fantastic! I think you guys should try this. They got a few fantastic room for you to explore. This is the one that we had. This is the only one that offers a bit of crawling because you need to escape. plus it's a bit of scary lah. If you love scary, it's not meant for family. There's a few food here, Korean dish. It's a bento set, okay, but it's like mixed rice with a lot of gravy, but it's Korean. Wow, I'm spot for choice. I don't know what to eat, seriously. Okay guys, this is the dish, something like a mixed rice concept, but this is a Korean dish. So it's a huge dish, right? It's huge for one person to eat. Okay, it's nice. This place is at Avenue K, first floor, Dodo, Korea. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Morning. Today is our second last day in KL, right? So we decided to explore a bit of some places that we haven't been before. So in fact now it's drizzling. So we decided to go to this place. It's called the Islamic Art Museum. Okay, so behind me you can see this beautiful building here. So around this place you can see, actually you can view a lot of very attractive location. Okay, you have this museum, then you have a very famous rebung restaurant, then you have also a bird park around this. I see yet to explore, and behind me is a beautiful mosque, right? This beautiful building behind me. So I'm yet to explore. I heard that there's a lot of few thousands artifacts from Islamic world. I'm keen and excited to be there. Okay, let's see, check it out. These two-floor buildings, guys, will cover Islamic architecture and the Quran and the manuscript galleries. There are also jewelries and even ceramics. And one of my favorite display, and of course, the favorite armors and weapons. I think it's a place that you all must go if you happens to be in Kuala Lumpur. Guys, check out that beauty. Come. Oh, beautiful. Action. Some menus food for you to have, including my favorite hot chocolate.
That's crazy.
Siapa kasih minum? Okay, sudu suap makan. Oh, makan sudu ah. This is so cute. She's so hungry. This is our first room, and we need to accumulate as many points as possible in order for us to defuse a bomb. So we have about 34 seconds to go before.
Step 1. You need to listen to the music and memorize the notes. You only...
There's the guy.
One, two, three,
Ibu Tri.
3, 4, 5, go 5.